Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be checking out the laundry turtle. Now this was sent to us today by the manufacturer for us to check out. So as you saw, when you get it, it comes in this cool little mesh bag. And then this is what it looks like. Now, super cool. All you have to do is take this right here and then watch this. Here we go. Boom. Look at that. This thing is huge. You can pick up so much laundry with it. Now, they do have two different sizes. This one here is the large. They also have a smaller version, and it's super easy to use. I'll show you how to use it here really quick. So basically, all you need to do is take it, and then you're going to scoop the laundry out of your washer or dryer, and then you can transfer it from your washer to your dryer, or from your dryer back to your room to where you can put the clothes up. So super simple, easy to use. Whenever you're done, you just take it like this and you will fold it up. The little thing in here that I showed you earlier, you just take it, it wraps around it just like that. And then it is easy to stow. Once again, whether that be in your laundry room or in your room, this thing is fantastic. If you're always losing socks like me, this is going to help you prevent from losing those in the future. So if you're looking for something really cool like this, I'm going to have to highly recommend the laundry turtle.